Good morning. Um, if you're watching, I really appreciate. And I just wanted to follow up and start with that part two video in order to give you the blueprint, the final work on the sequel that we started within two videos. The first part show how to remove the side camera repeater, and we also, for the sake of science, did a little bit of experiment to see if we could upgrade to the newer version, which will be the hardware 4, because that car is using hardware 3 for the cameras. And we're able to conclude that this is not possible because the connectors were different size. However, with part 2, the cameras were able to be replaced with the matching part. Watch till the end, subscribe, and see for yourself that not everything Tesla needs to be special tools, need to be service scheduled, require some sort of software management to be repaired or to be fixed. A lot of them can be simply as plug and play. So enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe. And just like that, yes, all it took was to remove the part and install the new repeater, and everything is back on track. And I didn't take the time to record the steps to remove the repeater again because you can see those on part 1. All I wanted to see to prove is, yes, it's plug and play, no software readjustment required, and anyone can do it. You don't need to have any form of mechanical background, and it's as simple as this.